Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's session. Today we're going to smash it. So today's session we're going to use some weights. Alright, so don't worry, after the warm up I'm going to explain everything. I'm going to tell you guys what you need to get, and that's it, we're going to smash it. Right, first let's start to warm up and take it from there, okay? Let's go guys, that's it. Make sure you breathe. I jog on the spot, let's go. That's it. Crisscross the arms guys, that's it. Open the chest, keep the palms towards the sky, okay, good. That's it, arms up and down now. Good guys, well done. Nice. And now jumping jacks, let's go. Nice. So keep it going. And shuffle. That's it. One after the other. And now kickbacks guys. Here. Good. Now rotate your arms backwards. Again, make sure you open the chest, breathe. Nice. Good. Nice. And now turn guys, your head follows. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 6, 7, 8. Nice. 10. 14, 15. Good guys, let's do some lunges, okay? Chest up, lunge forwards, 1, 2. Nice. So breathe. Good guys. Nice. 13, chest up, shoulders back. 16, good. 17, 18, good. 19 guys. 20, Cossacks, so touch your heels up. Nice. Boom. Here. So keep going. And now some squats. Only 15 squats guys, okay? So wide stance, chest up. Let's go bum down. 1, 2, low, 4, 5, 6, nice, 7, 8 down, 9, 10, 5 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, good. Last one guys, and rest. So guys, I'm going to quickly go grab my weight and I'm going to explain what we're going to do, okay? Make sure you have a drink with you, towel if you need to get rid of your sweat. That's it. Right guys, so basically I'm going to use a dumbbell for the whole workout. So let me explain. This dumbbell for me is 17.5 kilos, okay? I'll say this is around, let me think, 50% of what I normally do if I was going to do 10 repetitions, okay? So that means because it's 17.5, I'm trying to kind of make you understand. So that means if it's half of what I normally lift for 10 repetitions, that means we're going to do double the number for all the exercises we're doing, okay? So first one's called the goblet squat. So normally I do this with 40 kilograms, and now obviously we're doing 17.5, and we'll have to do double the number. So if you find this easy, let's say you have a 10 kilogram weight, and if you do 20 and you find that quite light, do more reps, do 25 instead, okay? Or hold the weight and put something on top, okay? So you need to be very honest with yourself guys, okay? Don't go for something light, don't make it easy, you want to make it challenging, alright? Good. So first one guys, goblet squat. So So get the weight here, get a nice grip so it stays there like a goblet. Toes out, chest up, and from here you squat all the way down and you push back up, okay? So back stays nice and straight, guys. Palm down, 1, straighten the legs, chest up, 2, and you carry on, okay? So all the way, full range of motion. 20 repetitions, guys, 1 minute rest, and we repeat that 3 times. And afterwards we'll move on to the next exercise, okay? That's it. So have a look what weights you have, okay? You can use a kettlebell, you can use a dumbbell, you can use anything that has some mass, some heaviness, okay? Chairs and stuff are okay, but that'll be too light, guys, so you have to do more reps. So try to be quite creative if you don't have any weights, alright? You guys said you want more weights exercises, so there you go. Right, get ready? So get ready. Lift the weight, guys. Wide stance, chest up, 20 times. Let's go. All the way. 1, 2, all the way down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, guys. 7, 8. Nice. 9, 10. Easy. 11, 12, 13. Good, guys. Core tight. 14, 15. Just up. 16, 17. Nice. 18. Look up. 19 and 20. Nice one, guys. Now we got a minute rest. Okay. That's it. Catch your breath. Timer. So rest. Yeah, so this is the secret, guys. If you don't have a big stack of weights, if you don't have weights from 2 to 50, that's okay. You just need to do more repetitions or keep your break shorter. So you can challenge yourself, not on the weight, you challenge yourself on the break, and your muscles will still have a good workout, okay? That's the important bit. Because if I give myself a 3-minute break and I do only 10, that's not going to challenge me. Good. Nice. Hope you guys noticed. Body hacker shorts. I'm trialing down, making sure they're nice. Actually, they're very nice. Yeah, they're light. Alright, guys, 10 seconds. We're going to do it again, yeah? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Again, 20. Palm down. 1, 2, chest up. 3, good. 4, low. 5, 6, good. 7, nice one, guys. 8, 9, 10. 10 more, let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Last one, guys. And rest. Good, nice. Good, another minute. Catch your breath. That's it, breathe, guys. Halfway. Nice. So guys, breathe, relax. Good. Heart rate 110. Easy peasy. Nice. 15 seconds, guys, that's it. Try to get ready. We got this. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. This is the last one. Let's make it count. Down. 1, 2, all the way. 3, breathe, guys. 1, 4, 5, nice. 6, good. 7, 8, good job. 10, 10 more now, let's go. 9, breathe. 8, 7, just up. 6, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and rest. Good job, guys. Nice one. Now, we're going to have a 2-minute rest, guys. And again, for the next one, we're still going to use the same weight, but it's a different exercise, okay? So don't worry about that. Enjoy a break, catch your breath, and I'm going to explain in a second, okay? Good. Good job for the first exercise, guys. So now we're going to go second one. This one's called the Renegade Roll. Okay, so we're going to go on the floor. Same weight like I said, guys, the one you used earlier. Obviously, if it's a chair, you can't do it. You need something you can hold in your hand, okay? Good. So we're going to go in a press up position, guys, okay? So on one hand, you're going to have the weight, okay? And you go press up position, so keep your feet and your hands quite far apart, almost shoulder width. Okay, so here, make sure your bum is not dropping down. And from here, guys, you roll and you bring the weight past. So you pull with your elbow and the elbow passes your body and you squeeze at the top, okay? So don't drop the bum, guys. You don't want to be here with your bum saggy, okay? That puts pressure on your back. So you get the weight, legs apart, and you bring the arm up, elbow close to your body, and you roll at the top. Okay, so the motion is this way. Right, so we're going to do 12 repetitions each side, guys, with a minute rest in between 3 times, okay? There's no rush, guys. Don't ego lift. Don't try to impress anyone. Take your time, make sure you can lift it, and that's it. Right, get ready? Like I said, 12 each. Nice and controlled, okay? Good, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. That's it. Now the other side. I'm just going to turn so you guys can see my form. Let's go. 12 on the other side, guys. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Well done, guys. Now rest a minute. Good. Breathe. Nice one. Good. 2 more sets there, guys. This is quite challenging because your core needs to be tight. So core engaged. Legs, again, you need to keep your legs quite tight. Make sure you're not swinging and you focus on only isolating on your arm. Okay? Good. That's it. Catch your breath. I'm sweating already. Breathe, guys. If you find this weight quite light, guys, go up. Take a heavier one if you have one, okay? Don't cheat yourself. I'm happy with this one, it's quite challenging. So, yeah. Right, 10 seconds. Good, catch your breath, breathe. Nice, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, control, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. The other side, guys, let's go. Here, there's no rush. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Good job. Took us 45 seconds to do it. Well, it took me 45 seconds. If it's taking you longer, guys, if I finish before you, it doesn't matter, okay? Obviously, we might be on a different level, you might be fitter than me, I might be quicker than you, doesn't matter, you need to take your time, right? Good. Only one more set here, guys, okay? Catch your breath. Good. That's it. Good. 25 to go. Good. This is the last set, alright? 7, get ready. Come on, we got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. The other side. Let's go. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Woo! Well done, guys. Finish with that exercise. Another 2 minutes rest. And we got one more exercise for today, and that's it. So on our weight training session, we're gonna do only 3 weight training exercises for now. When we're gonna get fitter, we're gonna go up, okay? So catch your breath, 2 minutes rest, guys. Enjoy it. Good. Nice one, guys. So for the last exercise, again, we're gonna use the same weight, okay? This is a squat and press. So we're gonna do 15 repetitions, okay? So you get the weight, keep the weight here, guys, so you hold it. It's almost like sitting on your palms, okay? So get a good grip, have a wide stance, guys, that's very important. You go into a deep squat, and from here, you push above your head, okay? So go 1, 2, and you carry on. Try to do this as a one motion. So you go down and push. When you push with your legs, you push with your arms as well. Very important, make sure your back is nice and straight. You don't want to lean forwards, you don't want to hyperextend your back. So chest stays up, use your legs, arms go above your head, and you carry on. If you're not comfortable with this weight, guys, if it's too heavy for you, you can drop the weight if you can, okay? Again, 15 repetitions, a minute rest, 3 times, and you're game over for today, all right? Right, get ready. Good, guys. Right, so get your grip first, make sure it's nice and you can control it. Wide stance, chest up. Let's go. Bum down. 1, 2, chest up. 3, 4, above your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Final. 4, 3, 2, last one, and rest. Nice. Good, guys. Enjoy a rest, a minute. 1 minute. Nice, guys. Breathe, catch your breath. Nice one. Good. Oh, it feels so good. Today I wasn't really in a mood for anything. I didn't sleep properly, so I slept for like 4 hours. I didn't manage to get my afternoon nap. I was like, nah, I don't want to train, but you know what? I feel great now. 25 seconds, guys, well done. Catch your breath. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Good. 15 seconds. That's it. 7, let's get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Wide stance. Push above the head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, guys. Down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Final. 4, 3. Let's go. 2. Last one. And rest. Nice. Good job. Nice one. That was 38 seconds, guys. Rest. Nice one. Good, guys. Breathe. Catch your breath. That's it. Good. Nice. Yeah, so I feel great now. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. I was thinking what challenges there's there to do, because obviously I've done the 3 peaks and now I need another challenge to keep me going with different stuff. Not just training, like to be challenged in a different way. 10 seconds, guys. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. Right, this is the last one. We need to make it count. All right, 5 seconds. Get ready, guys. So wide stance. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go down. Push. 1, 2, nice. 4, 5. Down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Last one. And rest. Guys, that was brilliant. Very good. Well done. Clap, clap, clap. Have a quick drink, guys. I'm going to finish with a nice stretch. Alright? That was awesome. We smashed it. We smashed it. Good. Let's start with the quads, guys. So get your ankle, knees stay together. Open the chest. Chest nice and high. Hold it there. Good. Try to bring your heel to your bum. Here. 2, 1. Good. Switch. Here. Just up. Hold it there. Nice. Balance, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now we're going to have a wide stance. So lock the knees, guys, so legs are straight. Come down, touch your feet, and hold it there. Good. Good. Nice. And now in the middle, relax, sink in. Oh, good. And now the other side, guys. Hold it. And up, guys. Let's do the shoulder. Wow, I'm sweating so much, man. Hold it tight. So arm across. Scoop the elbow. Keep your head away. Good. 2, 1. Good. The other side. Nice. Hold it. Nice. And your triceps, guys. So arm up. Down your shoulder blade. Grab the top of the elbow with the other arm, other hand, and hold it there. Good. 2, 1. The other side, guys. Hold on. Good. 2, 1, and good. Last one, guys. Only drop the neck. Drop the head to a side. No effort. Relax. Just here. Good. Relax. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Good. That's it. The other side. Nice. Relax. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Good. Right, let's have a quick chat, guys. My favorite people. So, guys, check this out. Can you see the sweat? Like, yeah. So, well done, guys, for today. You guys smashed it. I'm glad. So, we're gonna carry on with the same structure. We'll do some bodyweight stuff. We're gonna do weights. Make sure you guys learn more about the technique. You get more comfortable using weights, and that's it. So, well done for this week. I'll see you guys next time. Please be good. Drink plenty of water. Be sensible with your food. So don't binge eat because it's not the end of the world. And that's it. See you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.